We are not just a factory, we're more like a family. We do this because we have a passion for it, we enjoy it. Most of the guys out in the shop, we either race our own cars or we have vintage cars, so we enjoy working on engines, rebuilding engines. And then we get to come in here and it's almost like a dream job. We get to spend our time here rebuilding engines. We all do the best we can. We start the refresh process with a bare cylinder block to build the QC4V core exchange long blocks. The crankshaft and all other rotating components are washed and magnafluxed to ensure the integrity of the metal. After the long block assembly has been refreshed, it goes through Mercury Racing electrostatic high solid polyurethane paint process to bring the engine back to like new condition. Each engine endures a complete dynamometer run prior to being released and sealed as certified factory fresh. After the engine's been refreshed, all parts and accessories are back to original factory warranty because we stand behind our product. I run my own race program and I know what it feels like to win. I love racing. When the customer's running out front and the customer wins the race, I don't need any gratification other than know that I was part of that in building that engine. If they win, we win.